this be? H&M? Mega Tower? Ooh. Hi guys, today we are at SM Megamall Roblox. So let's read this text. Mega and Bright 2023. Whoa, the Philippine flag. Wait, this is cute, cool. Megamall. This is nice. And the number 65. So that's the SM flag. Yeah. So let's go inside, but before we go inside, we have to go for a moment. We are back. Did I scare you? Megamall with a Christmas tree. Yeah, because it's a bit of Christmas. So, guys, Happy Christmas and Merry Christmas. I hope next year will be alright. So, let's go inside. Whoa! What? Myro Nations Filipinas Christmas Party 2023 at Megamall, at SM Megamall. I wonder what could this be? H&M? Mega Tower? Ooh, let's save Mega Tower for last. Mega and Bright 2023. Oh, there's a big Christmas tree. I wonder, why is everything blank? They must be... Oh my god, what is that person? I'm supposed to be alone. Look, I'm alone. Maybe that's an NPC. I think they're not done making this. So if it's done, we will now play it. So SM Mega and Bright 2023. Whoa, the Christmas tree looks so cool. Okay, Din Tai Fung. Oh, it doesn't look like a restaurant at all, but whatever, it's not done yet. The quality on this is good, so I hope they make it good. So, what is this? Victoria's Secret. Cool. And what is this awkward space for? Oh, I love how they made like a cool place. So, let's go upstairs. This area is coming soon. Okay, let's go upstairs. Ooh, I wonder what they're making there. Okay, let's go upstairs. I think upstairs has a lot because I have the feeling of it. And I see that. UG? What does that mean? Whoa! Oh, they aren't done yet here. Ooh, they haven't done like the level 2. H&M. Oh, hey, I see the bottom here. This is cute. I hope they make the Mega Mall is cool. Cool, actually. Oh my god, who's this person? Hey, are you moving? This is a bit creepy, but not really. Okay, now what is this? And maybe the Victoria's Secret. Oh, the Mega Mall has not everything. Everything is not up here, but oh, this is where we fall. Oh my god. Oh no! Okay, let me teleport. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're here now. Don't mind that chicken. Oh my god. Whoa, this is a bit cool. Let's try not to get on the floor because this is a bit scary. If I fall, then it's over. I think they're not done here yet. Okay, oh my god. UG. Oh, this is... Oh, I forgot. Ooh, this is cool. But how am I supposed to get up back again? But let's just go to the SM store. Ooh, I hope there's stuff here. I think I see like some stuff there, but not really. So where should we supposed to be going? I think we should be going to the Mega Tower. So see you there. Oh my god. Here am I at the Mega Tower. Let's I thought this was well, they haven't done yet. I made a mistake. I'm so sorry. Maybe because they're not done yet. I hope they make it. Oh, there's a lot. This is creepy. This is a bit creepy. Let's go there. But that place is a bit creepy, so if there's no like a bit of monsters. Okay, let's go. This isn't even like the back rooms. Oh wait, what? So come on, let's go. Can we even go on the level 2? Can we even go there? But let's take a moment to appreciate every single thing that the creator made. I'm sorry that it hasn't been done and I still made a video about it, but yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let's go outside now. Come on. I think this is getting a bit scary, but not really. Oh my god. Ooh, I like the sky. Oh, what is that? I haven't checked this yet. IMAX coming soon. Megamall. Ooh, this is fascinating. Oh god. What is this? Ooh, who's this supposed to be? Well, whatever. What is this thing? That one red thing? Like, rainbow thing? I've seen it on my screen. This one. This one. That one, if you can look closely. Okay, do I have to follow it? Let's roam around for a bit again. Okay, how do I get inside? Okay. I never saw that. Oh, let's just get in. I hope when they're done, like, what are these? Oh my god. I can't hear the music because, it's muted. Because I want you to hear my voice goodly. But, I don't know what these buttons are supposed to be. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna end the video with a big smile. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget subscribe. Bye. Thank you for the support. I love you all. Have a Merry Christmas or a Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year.